Hello guys, it's Personal Cakes here, back with another sneaker unboxing, and today we are here to unbox a pair of Converse All-Star Chuck 70s in a very cool colorway. Let's just get into the video. And first of all, we will be taking a look at the box. Yeah, I know the box is mashed up, DHL, and you know the website I got it from, yeah, but whatever, the shoes are clean. So guys, thanks for coming back to watch our videos. Please subscribe if you haven't done that already. Make sure you like and you comment what you think about this. So this is the Converse Chuck 70 High Cut Green Egret, and these are available in size 44 on our Instagram page, so I'll be leaving a link of that in the description. Be sure to check it out. Now here are the shoes themselves. You know, as you can see, a very nice canvas material on the upper. Yeah, Chuck 70s are different from the regular Converse Chuck Taylors, and I spoke a bit about that in our previous video, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description so that you can see the differences and the similarities. So yeah, to my knowledge, this particular model, this model is they decided to use recycled material, so the upper is made of recycled materials. So there you have it, the recycle sign for Converse on the tongue of the left one, but on the right one we have the regular Chuck 70 label and the size tag underneath. So yeah, very nice material, very rigid, nice, fabric material there, laces, really nice. Yeah, flat laces, OrthoLite insole, double padded insole as well for extra comfort. Really nice Converse patch on the inside of the left foot and on the right side as well, on the inside of the right foot as well. So yeah, now on the heel we have the Converse back tag there, and also, as you can see, really cool, the classic Converse outsoles. The midsoles are a bit thicker than the regular Converse, and yeah, I like them. I really love them. So the laces are a bit kind of off-white color, the midsole as well, and I guess that's what they call the Egret, because all the Egret colorways that I've had has the same kind of color on the midsole and the toe box as well. So guys, yeah, once again, please subscribe to our channel, it's Personal Cakes, and follow us on Instagram, also at Personal Cakes. We will leave a link in the description. Please like and comment what you think about these shoes, and it really helps us to bring you more sneaker unboxing, especially from Ghana. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.